Hi friends! So today I'm here at a very large size studio apartment which is available for sale. So before I move forward, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for getting more updates and regular updates. And now I'll continue my tour with this studio apartment. Rather, I had said I got two layouts of the studio apartments. So this is the first layout, 424 square feet. You can see the size, it's amazing. Literally, it's very huge. A 3-seater sofa plus a queen size bed and a balcony. Really, it is a good size studio. You can see an open kitchen. This kitchen comes with white goods, so it is fully equipped, and you can see all the required items over here. So you can see the finishing. By the way, this is a sample apartment. So sample apartment, it means there are different kinds of layouts are available for with the same quality. Of course, the layout might change. So this washroom comes with fittings of Milano, very good size. Now I'll take you to the balcony. Balcony is also a decent size, I would say. This property comes with a payment plan. You can see how beautiful studio it is, how big size studio it is. Good number of storage spaces. So let me know if you want to book this kind of studio with payment plans. I'll be available for you on WhatsApp as well as on calls. So now take a look at the second layout with the same quality. So this is the second layout of the same size, same quality studio apartment. Again, this is a sample apartment. So it comes with a furniture just to show you how the spacious, the quality and the design, everything is. See the ceiling heights, very nice. 3-seater sofa plus a queen size bed. You can see a storage space over here. Let me take you to the washroom. Again, washroom comes with the fittings of Milano. I would say it is a decent size, and the price is also very decent. Plus payment plan is also there. Now this is the kitchen. Kitchen is fully equipped. It comes with white goods. You would definitely love this property because of its size, quality and the price. So it's rather, I would say, value for money. It has also got a balcony, decent size balcony. Take a look at the apartment once more. It's really a decent size, spacious, rather I would say a large size. So if you have a small family or you're visiting over here only on vacations, you can book this studio. You can keep it on rent for over a year. It's up to you. And it has got very attractive payment plan. See the ceiling heights. So with this, I am finishing my video over here. Let me know if you want to know more about the payment plans or the locations or the sizes or the availabilities or the layouts. Anything, any questions that you have, I would definitely answer those. I am available on WhatsApp. You can give me a call at any given point of time. I would love to answer your questions. If you like this video, hit a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.